Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a device that allows radios after airplane mode, and a reachable Wi-Fi or hotspot. Turn airplane mode on immediately to satisfy safety rules, then manually toggle Wi-Fi on. Once done, choose your network. This isolates cellular radios while restoring data-capable features. Make sure you know the hotspot password or network name. Entering credentials now prevents interruptions later. This approach minimizes interference while letting you use internet services safely. Now you proceed to configure the connection. On your device, pick the Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. If your phone is the hotspot, enable tethering and confirm mobile data is active on the host device before enabling the hotspot. Once done, check VPN and background data restrictions so apps can access the network. Disabling data saver may be necessary. These steps ensure stable, high-priority traffic while cellular voice remains off. Finish by validating the link. Load a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm usable data. If performance is poor, restart Wi-Fi or the hotspot and toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radio states. This often clears routing issues. Make sure your carrier hasn't disabled tethering and that firmware is current. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices and re-enter hotspot credentials. This refreshes DHCP and usually restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.